Hello everyone, and welcome to our highlight lighting tutorial. So today we're going to talk to you about our 4-in-1 single color dimming controller. Now the dip switch located on the right hand side of the controller allows you to select between the multiple dimming modes. So you can set the controller to use a phase cut dimmer, which can be either a trailing edge or a leading edge dimmer. And you can also set the controller to use a DALI protocol or AC push dimming. And lastly, the controller can also be set to control 0 to 10 volts dimming. Now the controller will need to be supplied with 12 to 36 volts DC, and it only has one output rated at 20 amps. So for this example, we have a 24 volt constant voltage LED driver, which is supplying power to the LED controller, as our LED strip is a 24 volt strip. Now, regardless of the dimmer switch that you'll be using, the dimmer switch itself is only being used as a signaling device by the LED controller to adjust the brightness of the strip. For more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button underneath this video and follow us on our Instagram and Twitter page. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.